Mission. Life support package. Entering Sector 7. Hold acceleration. Avoid the patrols.
Hostile contact. Evasive maneuvers engaged. Stay low. They want the package, not the pilot.
Impact averted. Damage sustained. Maintain speed. If they corner us, the drop fails.
System overload. Go vertical. Push through the tightest seam. There is no other way to the drop.
Target beacon in sight. Final approach. Clear the roof. Prepare for deployment.
Package secure. Drop confirmed. The clock is reset for one more person tonight.
This is the last delivery. Until the next one.